In this video, I will show you how to upload videos on Kajabi. I'll show you both ways, uploading them one by one manually and uploading them in bulk. The second way can save you a lot of time. First, open Kajabi and go to Products and then Courses. Now here, just go and open up the course that you want to upload your videos to. And the first way is to just open up the lesson where you want to add your video. For example, this one, so click on the lesson and then you will see this. Now you may already have some text and some other stuff, but you want to go and set it to video. Then you will still have your text if you already added it, but now you can also select a file, upload a new file, select where you want to upload it from, and then simply go ahead and upload it. So that is the first way. It will then show right here, and you can then save the lesson by clicking on save. That's the first way. Now if you go back to your course here, you can go and click add content. Here click upload multiple videos. By doing this, you can upload more than one video at once. So for example, I can select this one, and this one, and click open. It will then upload all three of these videos at once. So then you can see them right here under upload, then the date and time. So you've uploaded multiple videos. Now you may be asking, what can you do with this? This is not really helpful. But what you can do is you take this as a lesson and you drop it into wherever you want to have it. So for example, analyze your performance as the second lesson, and now it's right here. So that means that I could just upload all of them at once and then drag them into the correct module. Then from there you can just open the lesson, change the name, and the video will already be loaded inside there. So that's two ways to upload videos on Kajabi. Now, if you want to get started with Kajabi, you can claim an extended 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days through the link down in the description on any of Kajabi's plans. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.